So they say to do things like to niche down, focus on one channel, grow that one channel, and of course, that's what you should do. But I can't do that. My mind just kind of wanders in so many different directions, and I've tried to focus on one channel before, and I actually grew it to about almost 20,000 subscribers now at this point. But I found that for myself, I get too bored if I focus on just one thing. So I actually have like several channels. I have that original channel, which now focuses on mental health issues. I have my family's vlog channel, which is mostly vacation footage. I edit videos for my wife's channel, which is devoted to nursing and going through nursing school, that kind of thing. Of course, I have this channel, which is YouTube and finance. I have a review channel where I review lots of different products. See what else? I have a channel where I play video games with my kids. I have my church's YouTube channel, and I'm also starting other channels related to very specific product niches. So I got a lot of YouTube channels. Don't do what I do. This is horrible advice. Absolutely, if you want to grow faster on YouTube, you got to focus on one channel, focus on one niche, something that you're passionate about, something that you can do long term. But for me, maybe I just haven't found that one thing just yet. For me, I found that if I want to be consistent on YouTube, I need to have a whole bunch of things. And they're saying nowadays to make that your niche, like do all the things and put them on one channel. But I feel like that's just a bit much. I don't know, you tell me, what do you think? Would all of those kinds of things fit on this channel? I just don't think that they would. So I have many channels for many different interests, many different audiences. And for me right now, that's working okay. None of my channels are exploding at this point, but I'm doing it because I like doing it. And I think that's the takeaway right now. Do you like doing YouTube? Like, what's your goal on YouTube? Is it just the money? If it's just the money, find something else, man. There's way faster ways to start making money right now, like starting a side hustle, even getting a part-time job. But if you enjoy the process, if you like making videos, if you like talking about various things, YouTube might be for you. But the question is, are you going to be passionate about it enough that you can continue doing it long term? YouTube is not a quick thing. It takes time, it takes consistency, it takes passion. For myself, I wouldn't say that I'm a jack of all trades, but I definitely like to dabble in a lot of things. And because I like YouTube, because I like making videos, I want to make a video about several things. So that's what I'm doing. That's my strategy right now. It's definitely a slower strategy than a lot of other channels, but I found that it works for me because I get bored doing just one thing. When I have to do the same thing over and over and over again, that just gets really mundane to me. But when I can wake up Monday morning and say, I'm going to make a video for this channel today, and then Tuesday say, I'm going to make a video for a different channel today, that's more exciting to me. That's something that I can sustain long term. And like I said, some people try to put these all on one channel, and there's something to that. At that point, you're becoming the niche of the channel rather than the topic itself. And I think that's okay if somehow all of these things fit together. I think Shelby Church does a great job of that kind of thing. She can talk about just about anything, and because she's the niche of the channel, it works. I think it probably also depends on how you talk about those things and what kind of style of video editing you do and that kind of thing. So in that regard, I think probably mine are better on different channels because my style of editing for each channel is completely different. Sometimes I'm sitting talking at a desk. Sometimes I'm walking about and vlogging. Sometimes it's faceless. Sometimes it's not me at all. Sometimes it's my wife. And that being the case, it makes more sense to me that they're all on different channels. But if there was more consistency, say I was always vlogging and that it was always me and not my wife, then it might make sense to have them all on one channel. I don't know. Like I said, I don't know all these things. Don't take my advice. I'm definitely figuring all this out as I go. And yet that's the point. Figure it out as you go. Enjoy the process. I think maybe, just maybe, you might make it long term. Hey, if I can do it, you can do it too. I'm just an average guy.